Hello, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Our second president, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, birthday, as we celebrated at the Teachers' Day on September 5th. And I'll clearly explain the pin to pin point how to draw his face and what are the facial features and expressions. And a small request, this is my new channel, please subscribe and support me, and thank you for watching. Please watch till the end. Let's get into video. And on this special Teachers Day tribute, where I guide you through the intricate process of drawing the distinguished philosopher and India's second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As we commemorate the significant day, I'll capture the wisdom and grace of a revered educator on paper. And first of all, gather your material. To embark on this creative journey, you will need a paper, pencil, graphite and charcoal for depth, or any other stems also, erasers, blending tools, and as a reference of a Radhakrishnan's image as my picture. Choose a clear image that showcases his facial features and expression. First of all, outline the face. Being by lightly sketching the outline of Radhakrishnan's face, pay careful attention to proportions, especially the placement of eyes, nose and mouth. These are the three important things. His face exudes a sense of wisdom, so aim for a dignified expression in your sketch. And adding facial features with the outline in place, starting detailing the facial features. Focus on his distinctive spectacles, prominent nose and expressive eyes. Remember, the eyes are often called the windows to the soul, so capture his wisdom and kindness in their gaze. And coming to the shading and depth, use your graphite or charcoal pencil, whichever pencil you can use it for the shading and depth to the drawing. Pay attention to the play of light and shadow on his face. Dr. Radhakrishnan's face has character and age, so add subtle lines and contours to convey this lightly. And final step, fine tuning. As you progress, fine tune the drawing, refining the details and adding some special features to the portrait to capture his likeness accurately. Take your time in this step, as precision is the key to achieving a lifelike portrait. And background and final touch, consider adding a simple background to enhance the portrait's impact by using flat colors. You can, whatever you can use it. It could be a subtle gradient or soft texture. Make sure it doesn't distract from the main subject. Finally, add any last minute details and refine your shading. And most important, signature and reflection. Before concluding your drawing, consider adding your signature as a mark of your artistic journey. Take a moment to reflect on the significance of Teachers' Day and the educators who inspire us. Remember, this drawing is not only a creative endeavor but a heartfelt tribute to the educators who shape our lives. We hope you enjoy this artistic journey and find inspiration in the wisdom and teachings of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And this comprehensive description is enough to portray this picture. And as I guide, I think I guide you as much as you need. So from this information, you can portray your own itself. This information is enough, while also emphasizing the importance of Teachers' Day and the impact of educators also. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.